If you're seeing the GOG error E9, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you two simple fixes that can help get your game launching again. This error can happen when a game state gets corrupted or when GOG Galaxy runs into a network delivery issue during installation or updating. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open GOG Galaxy and go to your library. Find the game that is giving you the E9 error and select it. Now look for the Customize or Options icon, which is usually on the right side of the play button. Click that icon, then go to Manage Installation. Inside that menu, choose Verify or Repair. This built-in integrity check is one of the best ways to fix game files that may be damaged, missing, or out of sync with the launcher. Once you click it, GOG will begin indexing the files and checking everything against the correct version. Let this process finish completely, even if it takes a little while. When the verification is done, try launching the game again or prompt the update one more time and see if the error is gone. If the E9 error still shows up, the next fix is to adjust your download speed settings inside GOG Galaxy. Sometimes the client's network stack can drop packets during high-speed delivery, and that can trigger server response errors like E9. To fix that, click the Settings cogwheel in the top left corner of GOG Galaxy. Then go to Settings and open Installing Updating. Look for the Download Rate Limit option and turn it on. Set the limit slightly below your maximum internet speed. For example, if your connection is fast, don't set it to the absolute maximum. Give it a little room so the client can download more smoothly and avoid packet drops. After that, save your changes and try the game again. This small adjustment can make a big difference if the issue is caused by unstable delivery during downloads or updates. So to recap, first verify or repair the game files, and then if needed, lower the download rate limit in GOG Galaxy. In many cases, one of these steps will clear the E9 error and get your game working normally again. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please subscribe for more simple step-by-step solutions, and leave a like so this video can help more people find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.